Today we're going to dive into numerous ways to protect your garden from pests while maintaining a healthy soil environment. Are you tired of pests and wildlife destroying your fruit trees, berry bushes, and vegetable garden? Eating your fruits and veggies before you get a chance to enjoy them yourself? Well, then look no further than these protective covers. Available in multiple sizes for year-round protection. This lightweight woven material allows air and light to penetrate through, so there's no need to remove it even when watering. So pick some up today and protect your investment. Do you live somewhere where extreme weather is destroying your fruit trees, berry bushes, and vegetable garden? Well, then look no further than these premium non-woven and breathable protective covers. Available in multiple sizes for year-round protection. You've invested a lot of money in your garden, so protect it from snow, frost, freezes, heat, and rain. Protect your investment and pick some up today. Tired of bugs ruining your trees? Here's a simple solution. Catch Master Insect Barrier Adhesive creates a sticky barrier that stops crawling pests before they can destroy your trees. Perfect for trapping spotted lanternflies, gypsy moths, cankerworms, beetles, ants, and many other climbing insects. Protect your trees. Are insects invading your trees? Then reclaim your yard with Catch Master Insect Barrier Adhesive. This easy-to-spread soft formulate is pesticide-free, works with thick bark. Simply wrap around the tree and apply adhesive. It removes with ease and can dispose of pests the easy way, and pick some up today. Want healthier plants without complicated fertilizers? Feed your garden naturally with organic worm castings, the ultimate organic soil amendment. Perfect for vegetables, flowers, house plants, and seedlings. It's 100% organic, odor-free, and gentle enough for every plant in your garden. Give your soil the natural boost that it deserves with organic worm castings and grow healthier, stronger plants from the ground up. Want stronger roots, healthier plants, and bigger harvests? The secret is underground. Mycorrhizal inoculant contains beneficial mycorrhizal fungi that form a natural partnership with your plant's roots. These fungi help plants absorb more water and nutrients, promoting stronger root systems, healthier growth, and improved blooms and yields. Give your garden the power of beneficial fungi. Stronger roots grow stronger plants. Want bigger blooms, stronger roots, and healthier plants naturally? Neptune's Harvest is made with all natural organic ingredients that feed your soil and your plants. Rich in natural ingredients, it improves soil health, boosts nutrient absorption, and supports stronger roots for vibrant flowers, vegetables, and herbs. Feed more. Grow more. Bloom more. Choose Neptune's Harvest and give your garden the natural advantage it deserves. If bugs are destroying your garden, this natural solution might be exactly what you need. This is 100% organic, 100% cold-pressed neem oil. Mix just a small amount with water and spray it on your plants to help control garden pests like aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites. Pick some up today. Seeing spots, mildew, or disease on your plants? Don't let fungus ruin your garden. Captain Jack's Copper Fungicide helps protect flowers, fruit, and vegetables from common plant diseases. It helps control powdery mildew, downy mildew, black spot, and early blight and peach leaf curl are some of the most common garden problems. Protect your plants. Enjoy a healthier, more productive garden. Want bigger blooms and a gardening bursting with color? This fertilizer is made for flowering plants. Alaska Moorbloom delivers a high phosphorus formula that helps plants produce abundant flowers while supporting vigorous root growth for stronger plants. Want more blooms and more beauty? Then try Alaska Moorbloom. Using Alaska Moorbloom is as easy as 1 to 3. You simply shake, mix, and apply. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons per gallon of water as directed. Apply solution evenly around the plant's soil. Reapply every 3 weeks to give your plants the boost they crave. Great choice for organic gardening. What naturally healthier plants without synthetic fertilizer? Feed your garden with true organic Seabird Guano, a powerful organic fertilizer packed with natural nutrients. It promotes strong root development, improves soil health, and supports vigorous plant growth for gardens that thrive. Choose the natural way to grow stronger, healthier plants with true organic Seabird Guano. Feed your soil and let nature do the rest. Tired of worms and caterpillars eating your fruits, veggies, and flowers? Then protect them with BT. Spray a natural pest control and get back to growing a healthy garden. Want bigger blooms and healthier harvests? Start with the right plant food. True organic all-purpose plant food provides balanced nutrition for flowers, vegetables, herbs, trees, and shrubs. Made with premium organic ingredients, it feeds your plants naturally while helping develop stronger roots and steady, healthy growth. True organic all-purpose plant food is made with premium organic ingredients to feed your vegetables, herbs, flowers, and fruit trees. It helps with building stronger roots, supports steady growth, and is safe to use around people and pets when applied as directed. Grow naturally with True Organic. Want to grow brand new plants from your favorite cuttings? Garden Safe Rooting Hormone helps cuttings develop strong, healthy roots for a higher success rate. Just dip the freshly cut stem into the powder, plant it in your growing medium, and let nature do the rest. Stronger roots mean healthier plants and faster establishment. Grow more plants with confidence using Garden Safe Rooting Hormone. When you want to propagate your favorite plants, use Garden Safe brand Take Root Rooting Hormone. It promotes the development of roots on most plant varieties. Take a 4 to 6 inch cutting of your favorite from the parent plant. Cut just below where a leaf attaches to the stem and remove all the lower leaves. Keep the top 2 or 3 leaves and any flowers that are present. Fill a container with potting soil, dip the cutting into water and then dip into the rooting hormone. Place your stem into the potting soil, secure in place, mist frequently over the next few weeks. Keep your cuttings in indirect sunlight. Start propagating today and watch your garden grow. Want bigger blooms, greener leaves, and healthier plants naturally? Here's the secret gardeners have trusted for years. Alaska Fish Fertilizer is made with natural fish nutrients that feed plants the organic way. Perfect for vegetables, flowers, and herbs. Its gentle formula won't burn your plants when used as directed. But caution, this stuff stank. Using Alaska Fish Fertilizer is as easy as 1 to 3. You simply shake, mix, and apply. Mix 1 tablespoon per gallon of water for plants and 4 tablespoons per gallon of water for trees as directed. Apply solution evenly around the plant's soil. Reapply every 3 weeks during growing season for healthy and strong growth. Give your garden the natural nutrition it deserves. Are garden pests destroying your plants? Here's how to stop them fast. Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew Concentrate helps control a wide range of common garden insects. It targets caterpillars, bagworms, beetles, thrips, spider mites, leaf miners, codling moths, and more. Just mix, spray, and protect your flowers, fruits, and vegetables. It's approved for organic gardening. Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew is great for use against bagworms, loopers, tent caterpillars, gypsy moths, spider mites, thrips, leaf miners, and borers. Protect your harvest before insects take over and keep your plants growing strong all season long. Looking for a natural way to fight garden pest? This might be the solution. Food-grade diatomaceous earth combined with peppermint oil makes for a powerful plant-based pest control. It helps control ants, roaches, fleas, flies, and other crawling and flying insects without harsh chemical pesticides. Simply apply it around your garden, flower beds, or outdoor spaces where pests are active. Keep your plants protected while using a natural, plant-based approach to pest control. Not sure whether to use bone meal or blood meal? Here's the difference. Bone meal is packed with phosphorus to build stronger roots and encourage bigger, more vibrant blooms. It's perfect for flowers, bulbs, and transplanting. Blood meal is rich in nitrogen, making it ideal for leafy vegetables like lettuce, spinach, kale, corn, and so much more. It fuels fast, lush green growth. Feed your soil the right way. Healthy soil means healthier plants. If you found this video helpful in any way, or maybe you're using one of the products listed in this video in your garden, please let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more organic gardening tips.